Hi everyone, it's Todd Bachman with Mosby Building Arts, and I'm here on site at a project we recently completed. It's an exterior project featuring a really awesome front porch remodel. So the homeowner decided to remodel the front porch out of need, really, because of the existing front entry door that she had leaked so badly. It caused so much damage that she needed to do something about it. So what they did was they got a whole new front door and a new covered porch, as you see behind me. This really boosted the curb appeal of the house. Before, it was just a flat front, and now obviously you see there's a lot of depth and character brought to the home because of this. There's some really cool features about the porch that I want to show you. First is this barrel ceiling, this tongue and groove ceiling underneath the roof of the porch. It brings a really kind of rustic, unique looking feature to it. Also, as well as the new front door. Now this one isn't going to leak. It's a ProVia door. It's a fiberglass door. It's extremely durable and solid. And because there's a covered porch now sitting over the front door, she's not going to have to deal with all the rain and the weather elements that she had to deal with before. So that's definitely going to ensure that water stays out of the front of the house. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope it gives you some inspiration for your home as well. Thanks for watching.